What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, giving you the updates of what's going on in this cryptocurrency market. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, we just gonna get straight into it, y'all. Bitcoin is holding about $41,000, $42,000. It ran up to $42,700 yesterday. That was a nice, good pump. We are still looking at the Fear and Greed Index. The Fear and Greed Index is continuing to drop. Today, the Fear and Greed Index is at 55. And we know when there's a lot of fear in the market, that's our opportunity and that's our signal to start buying. Find a coin that's dipping, find a coin that's in the red, and while everybody is fearful, that's when we will be accumulating and adding to our portfolio, getting our positions ready. So when the Fear and Greed Index do start to go back to the 60s and go back to the 70s, we will already have our plays set. We will be able to take advantage and enjoy those massive run-ups and those massive gains that will come from the Fear and Greed Index going from 55 to 65 to 75. So that's just another way and another indicator that you can follow, that you can keep track of to know when to buy and to know what direction the market will be going in the future. Now that the Fear and Greed is low, we know the Fear and Greed will start to go back up, and as the Fear and Greed go back up, cryptocurrency will start to go back up. But today we're going to talk about two of the low cap altcoins that you can place on your radar, do some research on. A lot of times we talk about the large cap coins, we talk about Solana, we talk about ICP, we talk about Caspa, Quan, Ethereum, but very rare do we talk about some of the small cap coins that you may not have heard of. So let's get straight to the point. Our first low cap altcoin that we will discuss is BenQ coin, BenQi. This coin right here is the number 444th coin on the coin market cap. So it has a lot of room to run up. It has a lot of room for the price to increase, for the market cap to increase. The market cap on this coin is only $68 million. So if this coin hit a $500 million market cap, we're talking about a 10x. If this coin hits $6 billion market cap, we're talking about a 100x from you buying today. Today the price is a 1.5 cent, 0.015. So you can get in that coin today, or you can wait till it starts to dip. But the main thing you want to do is place this coin on your radar so you can find what's a good time for you to, what's a good buying opportunity for you. The all-time high for this coin is 40 cents. And that was back in August of 2021, which was the last cryptocurrency bull market. So if you look at 1 cent compared to 40 cent all-time high, if it gets back to the all-time high, we're talking about a 35x or a 40x. Worst case, even if it don't, we will love to take advantage of a coin that can multiply by 20. We put in $1,000 today. We will be taking out $20,000 once it hit the next point, or once the next bull market hit its peak, and we're expecting that to be 2025. So we buy in low, we buy in while nobody's talking about it, and that's when we take advantage of these coins like that. We take advantage when these coins are under the radar. Nobody is talking about them. They're not trending. Keep that coin on your radar. Get a little skin in the game right now, or you can kick back, wait till this coin start to dip, and boom, take advantage of the sales prices. Put that coin on your radar. BenQi, number 444th coin on CoinMarketCap. Lock that one in. So let's get straight to our other low cap altcoin. Our second low cap altcoin for today we will be discussing is Kredo, QREDO. Now this coin is even better because it's even smaller. This coin is number 740th coin on CoinMarketCap. So this coin has a whole lot more room to grow even than BenQ coin. So Kredo coin. This coin right now is priced at 0.034. So that's 3.5 cents, the current price of today. Now the market cap for this coin is at $21 million. This is an extremely low cap altcoin. I remember when Jasmine coin was $20 million market cap, and we made tons of money on that when it ran up. So this coin has potential to grow. The all-time high for this coin is $9, and that was back in November 2021. Now that's massive room for this coin to grow. If it gets back to the all-time high of $9, you're talking about a 264x. I got a nice large bag in this particular coin, because even if it do half, less than half, you're still talking about hitting the 100x. So this coin is beat down right now, 0.034. If it get to $3, you're talking about that's your 100x, and you still got a lot of room before the all-time high of $9. So these are coins that I like to play with. These are coins that I like to add to the diversity of my large cap coins that are in my portfolio. That's why I say you got to diversify your portfolio. You want to add some risky plays like this that got a potential to do 100x or 300x. Then you got your coins like Quant, Solana, and so forth that will do your 10x, 7x, 15x, and so forth. So you balance those coins out, and that's how you take advantage, and that's how you become a cryptocurrency millionaire. That's how you will become financially free during this upcoming bull market. Balancing out your portfolio. If you balance it out well, you will have about 2 or 3 coins that will probably go crazy parabolic and will make you exponential gains. If you've seen that movie about GameStop, what they call dumb money, those guys was holding, and those guys took advantage of the doggone market. When GameStop was under $1, when GameStop was 50 cents, they ran that coin up to $100, $200, $300. You know, that was a cold movie. You guys should go watch that movie. That movie will give you a little bit of motivation, will give you a little bit of encouragement. It's called Dumb Money. You want to take advantage of the market when it's low, and you want to be prepared to take profits when the market hits the all-time high, when it hits the peak. That's why I say you guys have to understand and learn all about the cryptocurrency 4-year cycles. That is very important for your journey heading to financial freedom, and like I always say, heading to the promised land. So like I say, continue to subscribe to your channel, and I'm gonna continue bringing you guys them updates. I'm gonna continue to keep y'all abreast to what's going on, and of course I'm gonna be right there with you, let you know when the top of the market is and when we will be taking profits, when we will be tapping out and setting to the side and getting ready to wait for the next bear market so we can dominate and take advantage of the next 4-year cycles. But like I always say, I just come to y'all every day to continue to give y'all that good motivation, to continue to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.